This is a 43-inch 4K TV with HDR10 and Dolby Atmos audio, and it cost around £200. That is insane. Stay tuned, we're going to unbox it and do a quick overview and review of it. Hey guys, this is TNN, and today we're going to have a look at the TCL TV. It is the 43-inch 4K TV, Android TV. The model number is 43V6BK, and it is a 4K Ultra HD TV. Comes built in with Android TV, Dolby Audio, and also, of course, if it has Android TV, it's got the Google Assistant. It's got loads of features like the Play Store. So it's a pretty specced out TV. So it's got a 60Hz refresh rate, which is pretty decent. Comes with HDR10 and features like micro dimming as well. So it's pretty cool. TCL are quite a famous brand now as well. So they are the global top 2 TV brand. So around the world they are number 2 in the TV brand, which is quite impressive. And a fun fact as well, TCL actually makes some of the display panels for some of these Samsung TVs, which are a lot more expensive, almost double, triple the price of TCL TVs. And for the price that these go for, they're really spec'd out. So this one you can pick it up for around £280, and if it's on sale, maybe even less than that. So pretty good, pretty cool TVs. And of course it comes with HDR as well, so it will have really nice, good colour hopefully, and really good features with the Android audio. So you'd have like, you know, Google Assistant voice control features. Pretty cool. We're gonna unbox it in this video. We'll have a quick look at it. It's got a few good features, such as HDMI 2.1, USB 3.0, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5. They do come in various different sizes. You can get 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch, 65, 75, 58. There's so many different sizes. There should be a good amount of ports as well. So I believe this one comes with 3 HDMI ports. We've got the USB port, the LAN port, the optical port, cable, satellite, AV input, headphone, and a CI slot as well. So we'll get through that once we all open it up. So let's go ahead and let's get straight to it. Let's open the box up. It's very light, I have to say straight away. We've got a few features here like Hey Google, Android TV, some of the main cool points, dynamic color enhancement, motion clarity, Dolby Atmos. It's spec'd out. I mean, for the price you're paying, it's a spec'd out TV. So let's go ahead and let's cut it open. And let's have a look at the main TV inside. So we've got a bit of writing over here that does say the front, so we do know which side is the front of the TV. So what we'll do is we'll drop it down here and we'll take it out bit by bit really. So first bit over here, let's go ahead and open this up. What do we have in here? Okay, so we've got the power outlet here. It is a UK 3-pin, of course, and the other end is the 2-port, what I like to call the kettle adapter. Not sure what it's actually called. Maybe it's called this S-angle, not too sure. Put it in the comment section if you do know what it is actually called, those cables. Here we've got a whole bag full of all the goodies. Let's have a look at what we've got inside of here. We have the remote control, which is real nice. We've got the TV stands. And we've got some screws, which I believe is going to be for the stand. Some AAA batteries. And we got a bunch of booklets, user manual, guarantee booklets, all that boring stuff. Right, let me sort this all out and we'll get back to the TV. So these are what the stand look like. They are gloss black, quite thin, lightweight plastic, about the size of a hand. Here we have the remote control. Got some gloss black on the top, matte black all round plastic, quite lightweight, quite nice. On the bottom over here we slide down and we'll have the AA battery slot just there. We've got a few of the features. We've got a normal mute, power on, the number buttons, the coloured dots. We've got the Google Assistant button over there. We've got Freeview, Netflix Prime, TCL channel, YouTube, TCL Home and web browser, and Freeview button there, home button there, back, volume up, volume down, channel up, channel down, TV, OK up and down settings, you know, the basic buttons, profile change, nothing on the sides. Very nice, very simple, and quite elegant remote, to be honest with you. I like it. I like the design of it. It doesn't look cheap, it doesn't feel cheap, it looks quite good. Right, so next all that's left is the TV, I believe. So let's get the TV out. It comes out with the phone first. First layer of the foam comes out, and then we've got the TV. So I'm going to pull the TV out, I'm going to put the stand underneath, and then we'll set it up and show you guys. So here is the TV with the stand up. It's up and out of the box. Let's go ahead and let's power it on and see how it turns on. There we go, got the TCL logo. I love the sticky pads that they put around on the box. I've kept them on there just to keep it safe, because I'm going to have to put it away. I'm going to take it out after, once I've set the whole room up and everything like that. But for now, we'll keep it on there just to protect the TV. But we'll boot it up. We've got the Android logo, so we have the TCL logo, got the Android logo. Android TV, so it'll take a bit of time to boot up because it is the initial boot up time, the first time turning the TV on, so we'll see how it looks and boots up. Cool, so I've gone ahead and I've set it up, and it's actually pretty responsive and snappy as well. So we've got YouTube set up on here as well, so the Android TV is set up. We've got a 4K video here with Dolby Vision, so let's go ahead and give that a go, see what the colours are like and see what the sound quality is like.
People like to say, until it isn't. Remember when you couldn't take a photo,
it's
give
loud.
your phone to someone else,
really
and
good.
add in yourself? Wow.
Got a long advert, so we'll give that a pause.
Pretty...
Cool, so the video can start now. Definitely check out this video as well. The sound quality is actually really good. It's actually really loud and crisp, and it's quite loud, and it's only on volume 34, volume 30 there. You can see the colours are really good. The greens are really nice and crisp and bright. You can super see all the details of 4K. It is really nice, and I'm sure if we turn off the lights as well, it will look amazing too. I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights off so you can see what it looks like in the dark. Like, the camera just doesn't pick up the colours really well, but the colours are really good. Let's see if there's like a Dolby sound video. You can see the remote is super responsive. I'm clicking it and it's really quick. It's super responsive. Let's see if there's something like a Dolby audio video. And you can even actually test out the voice command. So let's try this. Dolby audio video. Oh, here we go. It's a new TV, so we've got to set it all up. Dolby audio video. That was pretty good. Dolby Atmos trailer. Let's have a look at this one. Try and get the camera to focus as best as it can, so you can really see the colours. Now it looks more like the true colours of what we actually see. You can see how crisp it really is. And the speakers are really good. For Dolby Atmos speakers, they are really good. They sound amazing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Right, let me turn the lights back on and we'll go through some of the TV features. So here we have the actual main TV layout. It is an Android TV, so we've got the Android TV layout here. So we've got some preloaded apps. We've got Netflix, YouTube, BBC iPlayer, iTV Hub, Channel 4, Channel 5, Prime Video, and Google Movies, Google Play Movies. We can also go quick menus down here for some like widgets. So when you start watching stuff, you'll see some stuff so you can continue watching when you log in on all your apps and stuff. We got notifications over here, so we've got a couple Google. It's really Android layout. So we've got TCL home as well. We've got inputs here, so we can change your inputs. So we've got TV right now, which is the Android TV. You've got HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, AV and media player, which will be your Skybox, Virgin Box or BT Home Box, whatever you guys use. Go ahead and click home. We go back to home. We've got TCL home. See what this looks like. You've got sign in here, media player, safety guard, gallery, so you can plug in your USB at the back. You can probably watch some stuff over here. We've got some adverts over here on the side over here for like some TCL stuff. Probably click on here, we've got a few more settings here. So it's just the normal TV settings really. If we go back, click on settings on the actual TV box here, we've got the Android TV set up, so you can make a TCL account and sign in. You can set a device name, so when you're Chromecasting, you can Chromecast straight to the TV. We've got different apps here where we can control it. We've got remotes and accessories, device preferences, quick start, inputs, date and time. There's so many different things. You can set a screensaver, or you can reset the TV back to how it was brand new, all from here. Really simple, really easy to use. If you click on settings on the actual remote control, you've got different settings here, so you can activate intelligent picture, sound and scene detection. We've got picture settings, so we can adjust the brightness, color, saturation, contrast. Sound settings, so you can change sound settings. You've got channels, so you can adjust and scan for channels for Freeview. System settings, such as locking it, environment settings, more settings for Android. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty snappy. We've got Google Assistant here, so you can ask questions like, if we press that button here, we might need to set it all up. We'll sort that out later. Wonder if it works without logging in. Let's try. Nah, you need to set it up, but we know it works. You've got Google Assistant, so we've all used Google Assistant before, so that's pretty cool. And other than that, it's pretty snappy. Volume up, volume down. Got the Freeview button, which will open up straight to the Freeview app. Obviously, we haven't got any antenna or cable set up just yet, but it will scan for channels and whatnot, and we can exit straight from here. You can go straight to Netflix, Prime, YouTube straight from here. So click on YouTube, go straight to YouTube. It's super quick, super snappy. Press the profile picture. You can log into your Google account, and you can set up different profiles as well. So different people have different layouts, different accounts. It's really good. It's really snappy. It's really quick. It's really fast. It does the job. The screen quality is really good. I have to say, it's definitely 4K. You can see the pure details in all the videos that we were just watching, all the details, the color, the contrast. It is really nice. So from the side over here, we can see the thickness of a TV. It's about, I'd say, just under a centimeter all around, and then it gets a little bit bigger at the back over here. Got some ventilation over here. This is where all the main media control is. So we've got 2 HDMI ports there. We've got our aerials, aerial input in signal, HDMI port there, USB 3.0. Looks like the AV in and headphone jack goes in there. Over straight at the back over here, we got our optical and Ethernet port. And then over on this side here is our main kettle power adapter. It's a pretty thin TV. Looks really nice. The bezels are super thin. So you can see here, we've got the main bezel here. We've got like a gap going all the way around, which is going to be where the speakers are. And the bezels are about 0.6 mil probably. It looks really good. And you can see the crisp quality when we look really close to it as well. I mean, if I can focus that on. That is super quiet. The colours are just really nice. You can really see the colour blend right over there. The whites, the sun, the water, the reflections, all look so good. It's such a vivid, crisp quality TV. For the price, this is absolutely amazing. This is unreal. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and hit that notification so you get an update on every time we upload a video. Far so good. First impressions, unboxing was a good experience. Had everything really nicely packed, really safe, looked all really secure. We'll do a little close-up of the ports as well, and what it looks like on the back and from the side, so you guys can also see the thickness. But other than that, I think this is a great TV. 10 out of 10 definitely. If you're interested in purchasing it, link to below will be down in the description. And as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.